Welcome to our explainer on proactive patching. Today, we're shifting from reactive firefighting to a rock-solid strategy. It's the classic divide. Security fears massive breaches, while business operations dread patching downtime. Let's fix that. To close this vulnerability gap, we look straight to the NIST 800-40 Revision 4 model for patch management. See, enterprise patch management shouldn't be a frantic reaction. It's just the routine cost of doing business securely. Think of it like preventative maintenance on your corporate fleet vehicles. You do it to avoid catastrophic breakdowns. Because reactive patching, that's scrambling after exploits hit, causing forced downtime and incredibly stressful incident response. The secret is proactivity. Managing these disruptions on your own schedule radically reduces the risk of a major compromise. So, how do we get there? By organizing assets, defining our risk scenarios, and meticulously structuring deployments. Step 1. Stop treating every system like a special snowflake. Assign assets to maintenance groups based on shared traits. For instance, workforce laptops have completely different downtime tolerances and risks compared to your public cloud containers. Now, apply these groups to routine patching. This standard procedure prevents that whole emergency firefighting mess later on. We highly recommend phased canary deployments. Test on IT first, then early adopters, then the full organization. Those canary assets are your bellwethers. They help you catch and fix disruptions way before a full rollout. Give users flexibility during an initial grace period? Sure, but absolutely enforce installation the second that window closes. Now, what about emergencies? The exact same phased canary approach applies, just on a highly accelerated timeline. Got unpatchable assets? Rely on strict network isolation and temporary mitigations until secure permanent alternatives finally pop up. Look, planned patching disruptions are just minor inconveniences compared to recovering from a massive, incredibly costly data breach. I'll leave you with this. Are you still scrambling to put out fires or driving a securely maintained fleet?